So today I'm finally gonna shoot some photos for my thumbnails. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my thumbnails been kind of basically I don't even edit my thumbnails. So the camera I'm gonna shoot with gonna be placed over here. So it's gonna be a wide angle. So I gotta change the lens. I think I'm gonna use this one over here. 10 to 18. Let me, so I'm gonna put it kind of close just where this camera's at. So the problem now is I have 3 light stand and I'm gonna use all 3 lights, but I need that tripod for the camera. Unless so I need that tripod, so I'm gonna use this and just place it like that. I'm trying to think if I have another one, so I have to mess with this. I do have another one. All right, so I'm behind the camera right now. So I like to set up the rim light first. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna do a test shot. So the power for that light was at, I think, 10 watts. Now I'll change it to 20. Let me see. Now I'm gonna change it to, let's do 40. All right, I think that's good. Now let's add the other. So it's gonna be 10 and 2. So this one I want it kind of like that. But I'm gonna work with what I have for now. So yeah, I need another light stand. Box right here. All right, let's check this out. Maybe need to be brighter. All right, so I'm just put the box down because it's like tilting up. So now it's only hitting my my shoulder right here. All right, that's super bright now. I think I'm gonna put it over here. Yeah, I like it at 2, but again, I need something. I think I want more rim light right here. Just put it right there. All right, much better. All right, since that's done, time to add the main light. I like this stand right here, the C stand. Super heavy duty. have to bring it over here. So I'm gonna bring it around there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's over here now. I just blocking this camera. I think I like that one. Alright, so I'm gonna take it into Photoshop. Let's see how it is. Alright, so let's go check this out. So I'm gonna start from the beginning. Let me see. Yeah, so I was trying to get the rim light set up with the red. That one looks good, even without the main light. And added the main light right here. And that one was blocking it. That's funny. That one's too bright. That one looks good. That one's not bad. There's this one. I probably should have moved the mic. Then this is where I used the I took the red off. Took the red, or brought the red back. Because the reason why I want to use the red is when I put the text to the left, I might want to make the text red and make it look like it's glowing. And then the effect will look like it's glowing on my face also. So that's the reason why I want to shoot with the red. I don't know what I'm doing with my finger pointing. Isn't that funny? Well, see stuff on YouTube and we just copy it for no reason. This one was this trying to catch a ride. Finger pointing again. Okay, this one's not bad. I thought, because when I was looking at it on the camera on the small screen, it didn't look that good, but I can see I can use it for something. That's why I'm thinking hard. Oh man, it's funny. This one, I don't know what that is. So we got some good one. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna use for my next thumbnail. I like that one. I might use this one for this video. And I'm gonna put like text, finally, something, finally editing thumbnail or something, I don't know. But let me mess with this one.